Hey guys, Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daru TV. So today I have two unique craft beers from Seven Rivers. One is called the Veere, the other is called Macha. So Veere in Punjabi, I think it means brother. If I'm wrong, do correct me. And Macha is a local slang word in Bangalore. We use it a lot, Macha. Basically, it means brother-in-law in Tamil. So Macha, yes, we use this slang a lot. So as I told you, this is from Seven Rivers and this is actually owned by AB InBev. So if you don't know AB InBev, these are the guys who manufacture Budweiser beers. So this is actually manufactured in Mysuru, which is 150 kilometers from Bangalore. And this matcha actually has notes of banana and clove. So banana and clove, I think it is a weird combination. Never tried this combination. And Veere, it has orange and coriander. So many of the wheat beers which we drink does have this orange and coriander beer. So let's do one thing. Let's get started. So guys, let's start off with Veere. So Veere, the ingredients are wheat, water, hops, malt, ethyl alcohol and natural extracts. So natural extracts it is orange and coriander. And alcoholic percentage, it doesn't exceed 5%. So guys, coming to the color, this is not a Belgium wheat beer. This is actually a Hefeweizen beer, and the color, it is like, as you can see, it has this nice, not a bright golden yellow. It has this some kind of a cloudy yellow, which you actually find it more in wheat Belgium style wheat beers. And the froth is good. We'll do the nose in. On the nose, I'm actually not getting that, what do you say, the orangey thing or the coriander thing. Because with the KF wheat beer, I get that strong orangey and coriander thing. This actually has this nice hint of orange thing. Nice maltiness it has. Yeah. So we'll do the tasting. Cheers. Straight away, the first thing which I can feel is it is a nice carbonated beer, which I really like in a beer. It has a nice sweetness. I think it comes from the orange. I don't know, but it has this nice orangey feel to this. The coriander, I don't feel it, but it has this nice sweetness. It doesn't have this nice thick mouthfeel which you actually get from Hefeweizen. It doesn't. It is actually watered down, but it is kind of good. It is drinkable. So next we'll move on to matcha. Matcha, yes. So coming to matcha's ingredients, so it has the same ingredients. Only the flavoring, it is different. It has banana and clove, and the alcohol percentage is the same. It doesn't exceed more than 5%, and this is also a Hefeweizen. This is going to be a weird combination, banana and clove. Never had it. So coming to the color, as you can see, it is pretty similar. Both are similar in the color. I think it is good carbonated. You have this nice head on it. Let's do the nose in. I actually get a hint of banana smell in this. I think it is good. No clouds, nice maltiness. We'll do the taste. Cheers. Yes. Straight away you get that good carbonation from the beer. That is really good. And also I'm surprised that you get a hint of banana. Actually I kind of like it. You get this nice banana hit, and when it goes down your throat you get this nice clovish kind of thing, I think so. But surely you get this banana thing. Yep. It is a light banana. It is not overpowering. You get that nice maltiness, a slight banana thing. Maybe a bit clove they have added. I am not getting, but maybe. But the banana, you surely get it. And also in this is not that thick beer that you get as a Hefeweizen, because this is actually watered down. I would actually wanted it to be a bit thicker because you get that nice mouthfeel. But this is actually a watered down Hefeweizen. I would have preferred it a bit thick. But anyways, it is kind of good. You kind of feel that nice carbonated beer. Overall, it is good. So guys, coming to the rating between matcha and Veere, I actually preferred matcha, because matcha is a unique flavor which I hadn't tried it before. Banana and clove, a nice hint of banana I'm getting. And with coriander and orange we have a lot of beer. The one of the best bottled is KF Wit beer, which I love it. This is not as good as that, but it is okay. You guys can try it. But my marks goes to matcha, which is a nice banana flavored Hefeweizen. So coming to the rating, I would give matcha 7.5, nothing more than that. It is okayish beer. If you guys want to try it, you can go for it. And for Veere, I would give it somewhere around 7, not more than that, because we actually have better beers in the market. And guys, coming to the price, this can of this is actually 330 ml of beer, and this costed me 110. Coming to the price, I think it is okayish for a craft beer, but for 110 you get a 330 ml of Kingfisher Wit, because I love that beer. So you guys can go with it. But if you guys want to try some unique beers like this banana and clove, you surely can go with the matcha. So guys, do follow me on Instagram, and also if you like this video, hit that like button, share my video. And guys, surely to tell you, like 93% of my viewers haven't subscribed my channel. Please do subscribe my channel, and let's hit 10k soon. And guys, remember, till next time, drink responsibly and cheers.